Hey loves, my name is Brianna. You might know me as Bits of Bri, and today's video is a clean with me. We're going to be tackling my to-do list, so I want you to join me. I've got lots of cleaning motivation for you in this video as I'm cleaning up after my Friendsgiving dinner party that I had with my girlfriends. So let's get to cleaning, and I'll share a really yummy recipe at the very end, so make sure you hang out until then so you don't miss it. First thing, super quick, I'm going to tidy up my blankets and pillows and straighten my family room area. It's easy, but it just makes everything look a lot neater. I sort of like to start with something easy, but feels like I made a dent in my to-do list, just so that an entire room is completely done. I'm wondering, do you do that? Do you prefer to start with something easy that gives you more bang for your buck? Or do you like to tackle the hardest thing first so that everything else feels easier? What's your personality type? Next, I'm moving into the kitchen and I'm going to wipe down the table first. So come on, clean with me, let's do it. Now I'm going to clean off my countertops and wipe them down. And if you enjoy these Clean With Me videos on my channel and they motivate you to clean, please click the thumbs up button today while you're watching so that I know if you'd like me to make more. And please let me know if you have any other video requests that you would like to see. Let me know while you watch today. And I needed to clean my stovetop and my oven since I did a lot of cooking for Friendsgiving. If you want to see those recipes, watch my Thanksgiving Cook, Clean, and Decorate With Me video. They're all pretty easy, and I hope it will help you if you're hosting. I share some homemaker hacks, or if you need to bring a dish to Thanksgiving, there's lots of options, so definitely check out that video next. And my girlfriend Micah Stoffer, she's a YouTuber who's become like a sister to me. She stayed over the night after Friendsgiving and we stayed up till 2 a.m. So we needed coffee real bad the next morning, but I just also needed to tidy up this coffee station because it was a mess. And now in the dining room, since I host Thanksgiving, I'm not going to take this down completely, but I did just want to clear off all of the plates, utensils, napkins, glasses, water bottles, so it was cleaned up. And I still cannot believe we're over 250,000 subscribers strong. I love you love so much, and I'm just so glad you're here. But I did clean up, or I guess snip, my balloons from my 250,000 pictures. Just thank you again so much for that, loves. And I'd like to thank Roborock for sponsoring today's Clean With Me video. Christmas came early in our house because I got a new cleaning toy and I love it. It's the Roborock S6 and it's a robot vacuum and a mop, which I love that it has both functions. So as I'm tackling my to-do list around my home, I can just turn on the Roborock and let it clean all of the floors for me. It's available on Amazon and it's much quieter than other robot vacuums. Adam actually commented on this right away that he barely noticed it, which is so nice since we have kids who might be napping while I'm cleaning, and that way I don't have to worry about the noise. It's very easy to change the filter or clean out all of the dust and hair and gunk, and all you have to do is fill the mop attachment with water and attach it to the Roborock, and you can have your floors vacuumed and mopped. You can download the Roborock app and you can set up custom cleaning settings, and the Roborock can be programmed for scheduled cleaning too. So let's say you want your floors vacuumed at 10 a.m. every single day. Roborock's built-in sensors help avoid collisions and falling down the stairs, and I just could not recommend this to you more. I'll have a link in my description box for you. You deserve one of these. It comes in black or white, and it would make such a wonderful gift this holiday season, or to keep your home clean for your New Year's cleaning resolution. So check out that link and you can get a Roborock for your home today. So while my Roborock is working on the floors, I'm gonna throw in some laundry. And I needed to restock the toilet paper in the powder room, and then I wanted to give it a good clean. And before I go upstairs to tackle our bedrooms, I've got to take out the trash down here. Next, I'm making the beds and changing sheets, so if your bed isn't made today, get up, let's do this. Seriously, clean with me, loves. But this is why cleaning is our cardio, right? And if you're looking for a to-do list or just other ways to stay organized, make sure you sign up for the newsletter on my blog. It's bitsofbri.blog.com, and I'll send you all the links to my free printables. That's right, totally free. You don't have to pay anything. I've got to-do lists, meal planning sheets, a Christmas shopping organizer, and lots of other good ways to keep you organized. So make sure you sign up on my blog. Next on the to-do list is putting away laundry, and I ended up doing a declutter of my closet too. Make sure you're following over on IG. I'm at bitsofbri because I'll always let you know on there if I'm listing anything that I've decluttered. And as you're watching this video today, share that you're watching on Instagram or Facebook. Tag me so that I can share you too. It just means the world to connect to you on there. And I'm also nosy, and I love seeing the inside of your homes, seeing if you've decorated for Christmas or Thanksgiving, or if you're cleaning. I love seeing your tap to clean and like your befores and afters as well. It's so motivating. I love seeing what you do. And I just feel like that's the best part about this community is we support each other no matter what struggles we're going through in the moments. We're going to motivate each other to keep going. I know you do that for me, and I hope I do that for you. And just know, if you're in a hard spot, last holiday season was really, really hard for me. And I can tell you from experience, it's going to get better. And if you're in a really good spot in your life right now, amen. Enjoy every single second of life that you are given.
I have a bunch of stuff that I'm going to be listing on Poshmark that I decided to just take out of the closet. So you can check that out if you're interested in anything.
Now I'm moving to the kids' bathroom to clean out their bathtub. I also wanted to clean the sinks and do a good clean of their toilet. And if you like seeing all of that bedroom decor and this bathroom decor and would like to see how I decorated it all, make sure you check out my Christmas Clean and Decorate with Me's for 2019. Part 1, I did the downstairs, and Part 2, I did the upstairs. So take a look at both if you want some decoration motivation. There's also cleaning motivation in those videos too. And my OGs here can tell you every year those clean and decorates are some of my favorite videos to make. And this year, your support on those videos was unreal. So thank you so much, loves. And I had some laundry to change out, and I just wanted to check the dustpan on the Roborock, but I let her keep doing her thing while I put dishes away, and I had to wash some more dishes. And if you have a name for my Roborock, I feel like she needs a name. Let me know if you have one in the comments. But after all those dishes had sat there overnight, I wanted to give my sink a good scrub, so next I cleaned the sink. And now I'm excited to share an amazingly easy and delicious recipe that you can make with one of your Thanksgiving leftovers. It's one of Adam's favorites, green bean casserole queso.
My favorite things to do with leftover green bean casserole is make a queso cheese dip out of the leftovers. I had a chip. Couldn't help myself.
This is also my favorite leftover. I'm not a huge Thanksgiving dinner guy, but leftover green bean casserole turned into queso. It's right up my alley.
Okay, so I'm gonna sprinkle half of the cheese. Now I'm gonna scoop on the green bean casserole. Right, then sprinkle on the remainder of the cheese. And then you want to pop this in the oven at 350 degrees.
I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you. We'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers.
Make sure you subscribe if you're new here and join us for lots of fun holiday videos I've got coming up. Turn those notifications on. And I've got lots for you to check out on here too before you leave YouTube today. Thanks so much for watching my videos and watching this clean with me. Bye, loves.
When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly